Good morning.
Good morning.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong to earn money and to help my family.
Can you tell something about yourself?
I'm Lenora Montano, 38 years old, live in Ibawan, Pavilla. I graduated my college at University of San Agustin as Commerce major in Management Accounting.
Do you know anybody in Hong Kong?
No,
Say a relative or friend.
no,
Have you been abroad before?
yes,
In what place?
Saudi Arabia.
For how long?
2 years and 2 months.
What is your job there?
My job there is housekeeping, and then I am the one facilitate the needs of my madam, then clean her room and clean the house.
Do you like to take care of babies and children?
Yes,
About how many children do you think you can take care at a time?
1 or 2.
What are duties as a babysitter?
Change the diaper, give the food to the babies, and check the temperature if she has a fever.
What are your duties as a domestic helper?
My duty as a domestic helper is clean the house, organize the house, that's all.
Can you cook some Chinese dishes?
Yes,
Like what?
steamed fish, boiled egg, steamed pork or beef.
Can you operate electrical appliances?
Yes,
Like what?
washing machine, flat iron, rice cooker.
How about washing car? Do you wash car very well?
Yes,
Do you love pets?
yes,
Like what?
dog and cat.
Supposing you are homesick, what are you going to do?
If I have a time, I will read a book or listen to the music, and then spare my time with the children.
If you have misunderstanding with your employer, what are you going to do?
I will ask apology to my employer, and then I will ask them what will I do.
If your employer is strict and demanding, what are you going to do?
I will follow her. If my employer is strict, I will follow her guidelines.
Can you take care of a bedridden or old person for how old?
Yes, 65 up.
Do you mind your holiday will not be scheduled on Saturday or Sunday?
Yes,
What promise do you have for your future employer?
I will promise to do my job best. I will